Uy. We're gonna look at this entire round. This is me sparring in Barcelona. I'm at a retreat with Jeff Chen. I've collected many sparring rounds, got lots of footage to share with you when I get back, but for today, just this one. Completely unedited. You can see how I move around, how I keep other people safe, but how I'm still trying to challenge them, not make the rounds really easy. And before we jump into it, guys, over at Strike Ready, we have the vault, which contains all 7 of my courses. It is July 4th. So happy Independence Day to the States, and we are doing over 70% off on the whole bundle. A link down below. Make sure you grab that before it disappears. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oi. Uy. Uy.